Install a bathroom anywhere without any major construction with Saniflo. Just picture an unused space. Wouldn't it be convenient to transform it by adding a new bathroom? It's now easier than ever, and without breaking the floor or the bank. Just install Saniflo's Macerator, Saniflo's rear discharge toilet, any sink you want, and a shower stall of your choice. The concept is simple. Our macerators are easy to install. Install a vent connection on the macerator using the coupling provided in the installation kit. Connect the drain pipe from the sink to the lower 2-inch inlet on one side of the macerator. Connect the drain pipe from the shower to the opposite side inlet. Using the provided discharge elbow, connect your 3/4-inch discharge pipe. Then connect the toilet to the main inlet of the pump using the 4-inch coupling provided. Let's now take a glimpse at the operating principle of the Saniflo system. When the toilet is flushed, the water drains into the pump. Inside, the pressure sensing system, consisting of a microswitch and a membrane, detects pressure from the water level rising inside the unit. Once the water reaches the membrane, the pump turns on, causing the blades driven by the motor to grind all the waste into tiny particles. All the ground particles fall through the bottom of the case. These are then picked up by the impeller and pumped out through the internal discharge pipe. Once it exits the pump, the waste goes through a discharge elbow which connects to the 3/4-inch pipe. A built-in non-return valve prevents the wastewater from traveling back into the pump once the system turns off. For more information on any of our Saniflo products, please contact us at 1-800-363-5874 or visit our website at sfasaniflo.ca.